Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. When I went to the Habitat for Humanity restore the last time, I managed to score a rather nice little piece of equipment. For the princely sum of $1, I picked up this little ratcheting screwdriver. Now, I had never looked at these as being anything before, but then Scoutcrafter posted a video showing one of the benefits of having this round handle and how it gave you much better control and torque and less pressure on the palm of your hand. So I thought, oh, that's kind of cool. Next time I see one. Well, wouldn't you know, within a week, I ran across this one at Habitat for Humanity. It has a storage place for the bits. It came with 2 of them. And fortunately, I have a drawer full of bits just like that. Because every time I see a bit, I pick it up. So now I have a full set of 3 bits. And the screwdriver. Kind of nice to have. Okay. I checked the ratchet worked. So I thought, you know, for $1, I'll take a risk. Well, I'm very happy that I did that. It's a very nice tool. The ratchet works well. The storage in the handle is much better than a lot of them that I've had. There's a tendency to have the screwdriver bits on this type of tool either go into the handle where they get jammed or go into a hole where they get jammed. These go in and out quite easily, and that little cap holds them securely. The ratchet's easy to adjust. And I'm very happy with it. Nice thing to have in the kit. Now, I have a ton of ratcheting screwdrivers. And this is a nice one, but I really don't need another one. So I think I'll probably put this up on eBay. So it'll be listed in the coming week, and you guys can take a look at it and see if it's anything you'd like. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.